Hey guys, this is J20 back with another video, and in today's video I'll be reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Please try to subscribe to the channel, click on the bell for more videos. Okay, so going through the specs of this device, we can see that the device has 64 GB of internal storage, 4 GB of RAM, 8 MP main camera, 5 MP selfie camera, dual stereo speakers powered by AKG, a 7040 mAh battery. It has stylus support and is powered by the Exynos 9611 chipset, and it has many more features. At the back of the device, you have your camera, Samsung and AKG logo on it. On the right, you get your power and volume buttons with a microphone and a micro SD card slot. On the left side, you have nothing. On the bottom, you have your Type-C port and a speaker grill. On the top, you have a headphone jack, a microphone and another speaker grill. Let's start by unlocking the tablet. On this tablet, you get all your Samsung apps, you also get all your Google apps, and you can even change from light mode to dark mode. You can also draw on this tablet. The tablet comes with an S Pen, but unfortunately my S Pen is broken and I can't demonstrate that in this video, but if you buy one, you will have an S Pen depending on who you buy it from. You can also enjoy YouTube videos with this big display. Let's do a camera test with this tablet. This is the video quality of the back camera of this tablet. Look at it right here. Just look at it. This is the front camera of this tablet. Well, tablet cameras aren't the best, but here it is. Next up, let's do an audio test. For this tablet, I decided to put this protective case on it so that it can protect the tablet. And I recommend that you buy a case for all your devices, be it phones or tablets. Let's have a little fun and let's play some games on this tablet. So what are my thoughts on this tablet? Well, this tablet is good for playing games, it's good for typing and office work, it's good for watching videos, and it's just a very nice tablet to use overall. For who this tablet is for, I can say that this tablet would be good for kids because you can just give this to your kid and download some games that they'll play, and they can watch some YouTube videos as well. You can give this to someone who loves doing assignments, like students or something. If you have an assignment to do, you can just type it on this tablet if you have a keyboard and a mouse or something. And even if you're like all these office workers doing business, this tablet would also be good for you. If it's for drawing, yes, you can use tablet to draw, but if you want to do all these professional drawings, I would recommend something higher like an iPad Pro or something. So what are your thoughts on this tablet? Just comment below and like this video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell for more videos, and follow me on my social media pages like my Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.